There's more positive news about nuclear power right now than I've ever seen before. People are finally recognizing nuclear power for what it is: safe, clean, stable energy, and plants are being built all over the world. But most of the excitement seems to be about small modular reactors, or SMRs. And while I understand the appeal of smaller, easier to build reactors, I think we're focusing on fixing the wrong problem here. We already have safe, reliable fission energy. We know how to build large-scale nuclear plants that work. So instead of pouring billions into reinventing fission on a smaller scale, why aren't we just fully funding fusion? Fission was always supposed to be the bridge technology until we got to fusion. So let's talk about what fusion actually is. While fission is the process of splitting heavy atoms to produce energy, fusion does the opposite. It joins two light elements into one. When you take two hydrogen isotopes and fuse them into helium, there's a tiny bit of mass that's left over, and that's converted into energy. And it's a lot of energy. Clean energy. No long-lived waste. No meltdown risk. It's the same process that powers the sun. Now, unfortunately, you can't just take deuterium and tritium, put them into a bucket, and hope for the best. You have to overcome the natural electrical propulsion of the nuclei. It requires very high pressures and very high temperatures. That's the hard part. That's where the engineering challenge is. But here's the thing. With enough effort, we can solve engineering challenges. We always have. But what we haven't done is make fusion a priority. You would probably be shocked to find out how little the United States government has spent on fusion technology. The most we've ever spent in a year is about $1.5 billion. That's it. For a technology that could change everything. We have the money, we just need to want to do it. That's how we got to the moon. And for the most part, everybody should want to fund fusion. If you care about the climate, fusion. If you want energy independence, fusion. If you want good, stable jobs, fusion. If you think wind farms are ugly, fusion. If you prefer a hopeful, optimistic science fiction future to a dystopian one, fusion. And if you just really think it's cool, well, that's fusion too. Fusion is worth it. We just have to choose to do it. If you want to know more about how fusion works and the associated challenges with it, watch this video.